Hey everyone, so today we'll be looking at the F1 error code on ideal 30 combi boiler. This particular code typically crops out due to low boiler water pressure causing headache. As you can see the pressure gauge here it shows 0. So before we troubleshoot the error, switch off all knobs, the mode, the radiator, the hot water. Alright, let's spot the valves now. Yellow for gas, the other blue and black for hot and cold water. Trace one of the valves and you can see filling loop with two valves, and on my boiler it's written here. Turn it anti-clockwise. Bear in mind it's very important you do it very slowly. Don't turn it all the way. Once you give it a little turn you can hear the water rushing into boiler. The F1 error goes off and pressure gauge slowly rising out. When pressure gauge is between 1 and 1.5, return the valve back to its original position. Now switch on the boiler mode and preheating it starts. Also set up hot water and radiator temperature. So you guys can see the boiler is up and running again, and there you have it. We did troubleshoot the error successfully. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.